Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to get the rear bumper back on the Skyline. Boys, let's see if I can remember how to put this rear bumper back on. Sorry about the wind noise as well. It's been pretty windy here the last couple of days, so bear with me. Gloves. Nearly forgot to take the lights out. Hi guys, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how painful is that to watch? Pretty painful. Alright guys, I've got it all bolted on, the bumper bolted on. I'm not going to put all this interior trim back in, but I'm going to put the lights back in now. Okay guys, it's all bolted on, ready to drive again for a week or so. There are a couple of bits that stand out. This bit here. Yeah. That's really it actually. I need a light sound. There are a couple of little spots in the can. I have gotten it dirty that I can swipe off. Yeah, I'm not going to show you all those little touch-ups and stuff. The next one on this rear bumper will be actually putting colour to it. I'm going to head off in the Foz to training.